You should not get married to anybody until you poop in front of them.
God have mercy upon us.
You should not get married to anybody until you poop in front of them. That is a... You can't do it, you can't do it. You have to know how they act. Yeah, you have to know how they respond to that poop there. I'm telling you. Yeah, before I got married to Anya, I had to drop a poop. You crazy? You have to drop... No, you have to drop one. You have to drop something. Yeah, you have to drop something. And some of the young girls, them who acting like the pretty, them pretty women have the worst poop. I'm telling you.
This is the reason why. This is the reason why, no. Wickedness can't done. Me there sit down good. This boss just come dress me up. Me wonder where they go. Because me never see them dressing here before. But me kinda figure out how a day he might get kinky. But he don't know say me put the plan for buck him in him.
If you dial my number and you can't get my number, me dey on airplane mode.
For what?
Airplane mode. Airplane mode. I floating high in the sky. Sometimes me is a bus. Load up. I floating still. So
Me I'm showing you me no feel pain. Alright? So just watch. Come closer. That's on the foot. You know. See, me no feel pain.
God have mercy upon us. Oh, no.
Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh yeah
I can tell you no. I glad God did shit in me eye when He create me. Because I'm not for sure if me open it me that while. I can tell you no. As I say.
Clutch lock it on. Yeah, what you say? Clutch. Oh, clutch. Why you good flung me? See that? Watch out one. Yeah, what the man I say no. Good old. Okay.
Ladder gas tank. Ladder gas tank. Stand up.
Okay, yo, bro. 440 engine. You hear that, people? One Jamaican. That's a code. That's a code. Yo, right now, well, you see an independent day. You see an independent day, the man have to do up a stadium. see you. Are you make a plane around see you? Where have the where have the wheel? Eh? Never go pass back round. I'm still playing on the video. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man, up a buff there where I come from. Yeah, me 3 more squaddy.
Yeah.
And police and film 2 more squaddy a come up. See where I come down over the side, them on for them side I go up. With the power right side I come down, them on for them right side I come. Them stop call me alone front of me 3 squaddy. A 4 away, you know. And so, them call me what? Say me fi come over this.
Are you gonna drive?
Walk where walk, drive what? Walk where walk. So me left crossroad go over to police. Them ask me where me a come from. Me say me a come from up a Kildare Buff Bay Valley.
Yes.
Where me go do? Me say me go work. Oh, me have so much argument. Me say me don't have no only argument. You ask me something and me answer you. Him a go say me fi go on. Me tell him you not fi tell me that. Cause if you never stop me, would reach further.
Yo, shot man. Yo, you reach a beer man, yo. Yeah, man, I reach a beer man. Son of that me a tell you from when, bro? Pull the string, sir, man. Pull the string, sir. Boy, I'm on one woman drum. Pull the string, sir. Father, pull the string. Yes, sir. See the string up on the seat. Yes, sir, me a pine. Yeah, that seat say a mash up, man.
Catching giant mud crab with my bare hands.
Hey, you dive, you know? See me, your man in there. See, man. What do I want to big son?
I couldn't make him get away. Too fast, I go up and he don't know what. I try to make him break him back. Make him go break him back. I try to crap. Hang on, funny. It's stinking in the hole. Listen. You might take time, move in it. You understand?
Take your time.
Hold this. Don't go for that one. Hold this.
You bite you? No, sir.
I see a man, the boy thinking skill.
No, man, watch out one day. How them claw look so? I second one, I see what claw look so. No. That way?
Man, you can bite me.
That way?
Come in, let's do it fast. Just come here back.
Go back, it's small. Bombert.
Hey, watch my finger.
Yeah, watch your finger, them youth.
Oh, the camera.
So yet, you really are gonna grudge me? Just to somebody holding my cup? By the way, what's in my cup?
Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous panty. You see these panty? They don't cost $10 in a US store. But if you remove these panty, it can cost your house, your car, your land, married life in mash up, good friends mash up, even make you run up in a bankruptcy. Yes, man.
up.